All right, look, the wheeling lift is lifting up. Sounds very good, no? Yes, yes. The Volkswagen Phaeton is being actually restored, or how to say, recovered after fully trash and crash. Look on here, what we have here is a plenty of stuff. Look, look, look. Yes, 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 yes. That's so much we done to manage to lift this car back to life. And actually it would not be possible if you don't have a good quality diagnostic tool like it does with the Autel. We have plenty of electronics in here. You know, Phaeton, it's not the easy car. You have one battery in there, one battery in there. There's plenty of stuff what you need to find out. But the first of all, you need good diagnostic tool to check if everything works correctly and to know the right way to fix the things. Of course, another thing what you can order definitely is this lovely stuff. You can add the positive, okay, or negative, what you like. Yes, the red positive, the negative, minus or plus. You can just pop this thing into the fuse box, for example. Yes, and you have to check all those fuses. Okay, check all those fuses to see if everything works correctly. This is a Continental this is a access authorization or KESI module. As you can see, KESI, Continental. And the problem was in here just only water. Look, we have some rust in here, only in water damages all these systems. So that's the biggest problem. And when you try to find it, just make sure you have all contacts. And we already replaced the KESI, we replaced the engine control unit, and also we've replaced the steering column. As you can see, steering column, this is the original one steering column, look, and this is a used one, okay, from another car. So you need three things, okay. You need steering column lock, you need the K, okay, sorry, the K and the K fob place. This is another thing which you need definitely. So these four things you need, and you swap them up and you have to good to go. But only you have to check all the wiring and all the positive and negative ports. And after that, of course, you need to dry out your car floor because it's fully wet in here was, and that's what need to be done. Everything need to be in here cleared out. So with the diagnostics, what we can see here is the fault codes actually. So there's a plenty of fault codes in here. Look, but the biggest problem was when you go in here, if you can find starting authorization module, access control authorization, it says the biggest fault, terminal 13, passive sporadic, 00087, and it says terminal 30 starting for relevant consumers, lower limit not reached. So this is a plus, and I will show you exactly which one it is. So operator probably gonna come pick me up with the phone, so I can demonstrate you how you can check the fuses and how you can do the job correctly. And yes, let's pop this thing in. So come closer with the camera so we can see. The thing is, which one, look in here, you see this wire, which one is red and green, as you can see here. Yes, red and green, this wire, because the brown ones is minus and this is a plus. It comes, look, you see, here it comes. Let's pop you out so you can check as much as I can. An operator will do a good zoom in. You probably can see the wire, this one, okay. If you go from the back, you will see then this thing is coming right in here. So I pop it in, and as you can see, I move a little bit light away so you can see the positive and you see the voltage, okay. I have charger now connected on the back of a battery, so that's why it shows 13 volts, because it's charging. And when you go on another side, you have this view, you have the same positive. But the thing is, let me show you. If I pull that fuse out, okay, just pop this thing in, I remove it. I try to remove it, but actually I remove. Look what I done. Oh fuck. Let's pop it in. I think I need to buy a good fuse. Do I? This is a not good one. And already dashes goes off. As you can see, everything is dies. And you try to put the key in and nothing is waking up, okay? No wakey. No wakey, nothing. And when you put the fuse in, which one is bad, look, the bad fuse, yes, put in here, so like that, okay. What you have to notice, then when you do a measurement, do in one side, you have a positive. Oh, you say, wow, very good, I have positive, but actually you have to be the same positive in here. But you check in here, whoa, it's negative. So what do, you try to add a positive, okay? Just try add positive, but nothing wakes up till you wait some time, and you probably need to remove the key as well, and to wake that system up. This is the thing, you see, nothing is happening on. So that's why sometimes with the activating fuses you will not good. So if you try this line, look, all that line, you have plenty of fuses, you put in here negative, and this negative. So that means none of the pluses come here. That's because of access module is not feeding. Look, it's nothing. You see, it's nothing in here. So that means it's not feeding with the fuel, actually, with the voltage. And you have this fault code on, okay? All the time you have this fault code on, then terminal 30 is problem. You have no pluses. That's why you have to check always all pluses, and first of all you need to check the fuses. And the thing is, actually, when the current flows through the fuse right to the access control module, you put the key in, the access control module recognize the key, it activates the steering column lock, because you can hear when it's activating. I will show you in a moment. And after the activating steering column module, it activates the rest of the modules. The modules on another side, okay? We will go there and check as well. So this is a module for the all incoming and outgoing power control module, okay? This is all power consumption module, okay? So in the end of conclusion, you have good diagnostic tool, you're always on the top. So if you need one, just contact us on the WhatsApp, you can get diagnostic tool. Because if you don't know the fault codes, you cannot do the work with the car, okay? And now already we put the new fuse in, and fuse is okay. Look, dash is waked up, and the steering column lock is, you can hear it when it activates, okay? Because when you're switching off ignition, oh, you see here, yes? Then switch is going on. Okay, at the moment, thanks for watching. Good luck with your stuff, and yes, electronics is the best thing what you can do. Thank you very much. Bye.